Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about free time. Do you have a few minutes to chat?
Yes, I do. I like talking about what we do in our free time. It is a simple and fun topic.
Great. I have many questions about your free time. Can we share our ideas and habits?
Of course, Sarah. I am happy to share my daily routine and my hobbies with you.
David, what do you do when you have free time?
Well, Sarah, I have many activities in my free time. I like to read, go for a walk, and sometimes play sports. I also enjoy listening to music and watching movies. How about you?
I have a few different hobbies. I like to draw, paint, and sometimes write short stories. I also enjoy cooking and trying new recipes. Free time is a good chance to be creative and relax.
That is very interesting, Sarah. I think our free time activities are different, but both are fun and creative. I love reading books and learning new things. I often visit the library on weekends.
I love the library too. I sometimes go there to read or to look at art books for inspiration. I also like visiting local art galleries. It is nice to see different styles of painting and drawing.
Art galleries are wonderful. I like to see how different artists express their ideas. It makes me feel more creative. When I go to the gallery, I often spend hours looking at the paintings and thinking about the stories behind them.
That is true. Every painting has a story, and every story has a feeling. Speaking of stories, I enjoy writing short stories in my free time. I use my imagination to create new worlds and characters.
Writing is a great hobby. It helps you express your thoughts and feelings. I sometimes try to write a poem or a diary entry. It makes me reflect on my day and my dreams.
Yes, writing helps me understand my emotions. I also like reading novels. They take me to different places and let me live many lives in my mind.
Novels are wonderful. I especially like adventure stories and mysteries. They are exciting and fun to read. Reading makes my free time very enjoyable.
David, besides reading and writing, what do you do to relax?
I like to go for walks in the park. Walking in nature helps me clear my mind and feel calm. I often listen to music while walking. It makes the experience even better.
I also enjoy outdoor activities. Sometimes I ride my bicycle or go for a jog. Fresh air and exercise are important for my health and mood.
Yes, exercise is a great way to relax and feel energetic. I like playing football with my friends on weekends. It is fun and helps me stay fit.
Playing sports is a good way to have fun and make new friends. I sometimes join a local tennis club. I enjoy the friendly competition and the exercise.
Tennis is a great sport. It helps you improve your reflexes and stay active. I think trying different sports is a good idea. It makes your free time more interesting.
I agree. I like to try new activities. Sometimes I even participate in a dance class. It is fun to learn new moves and enjoy music.
Dance classes are exciting. They help you express yourself and feel happy. I would like to try a dance class someday too.
David, do you spend any of your free time on digital activities, like playing video games or using social media?
Yes, I do spend some time on my computer and phone. I like to play simple video games and chat with my friends on social media. It is a fun way to relax, but I try not to spend too much time on screens.
I feel the same. I use my phone to check messages and browse the internet. but I also try to read a book or go outside instead of staying indoors all day.
It is important to balance screen time with other activities. I often set a timer when I play games so I do not lose track of time.
That is a good idea. I sometimes set a timer too. It helps me remember to do other things, like drawing or exercising.
Sarah, I am curious. How do you plan your free time during the week?
I have a simple routine. I work or study during the day, and in the evening, I have a few hours of free time. I usually spend that time on my hobbies. On weekends, I have more free time, so I plan different activities.
I also have a daily schedule. I work in the morning and early afternoon. In the evening, I like to read or go for a walk. On weekends, I try to do many of the things I love, like visiting the museum or attending a local event.
Planning your free time is very important. It helps you do the things you enjoy and relax after a busy day.
Yes, I use a small planner to write down my activities. It makes me feel organized and happy when I see my free time filled with fun plans.
I sometimes use a calendar on my phone to remind me of my hobbies and activities. It is a good way to keep track of my free time.
Sarah, do you have any hobbies that you do alone or with friends?
I have a mix of both. I like to draw and paint by myself in my small art studio at home. It is a very personal and quiet time for me. But I also enjoy cooking with my friends. We sometimes have a small dinner party and share our favorite recipes.
That sounds wonderful. I love cooking too, and it is more fun when you do it with friends. I also enjoy playing football and tennis with my friends. These sports are a great way to bond and have fun together.
Yes, doing activities with friends makes them more enjoyable. I sometimes join a book club. We meet every 2 weeks to discuss a novel and share our thoughts. It is a nice way to make new friends and learn from others.
A book club is a great idea. I would like to join one someday too. It is good to talk about ideas and learn from different opinions.
David, have you tried any new hobbies lately?
Yes, recently I started learning how to play the guitar. I always liked music, and now I practice a little every day. It is challenging, but very fun.
That is exciting. I have thought about learning a musical instrument too, maybe the piano someday. For now, I enjoy listening to music and sometimes singing along.
Music is a wonderful hobby. It makes you feel good and can be very relaxing. I also enjoy attending small concerts in my city. It is a great way to see local talent and enjoy live music.
I love concerts. They are always full of energy and fun. I sometimes go with friends, and we talk about our favorite songs and artists.
Sarah, is there a hobby you want to try but have not done yet?
Yes, I would like to try photography. I love nature and art, and I think photography is a beautiful way to capture a moment. I plan to take a short course soon.
That sounds like a great idea. I have always wanted to learn more about cooking and try new recipes from different cultures. Maybe I will take a cooking class someday.
Classes are a good way to learn new skills and meet new people. I believe free time is not just for resting, but also for growing and exploring new interests.
I agree. Trying new hobbies makes your free time more interesting and helps you learn about yourself.
David, how does spending time on your hobbies make you feel?
When I spend time on my hobbies, I feel happy and relaxed. It is a break from my work and everyday stress. I feel more creative and energetic. Hobbies help me express myself and give me a sense of freedom.
I feel the same. When I paint or write, I forget my worries and enjoy the moment. Hobbies are very important for our mental health. They give us time to be ourselves and do what we love.
Yes, free time is a gift. It is our chance to do things that make us smile and feel alive. I always look forward to my free time because I know I can do something fun and creative.
David, do you think you have enough free time in your life?
I try to balance my work and my hobbies, but sometimes I feel very busy. I wish I had more free time to do all the things I love. I am learning to say no to extra work so that I can keep some time for myself.
That is important. I also try to manage my time well. I plan my days so that I have a few hours of free time every day. It is not always easy, but I believe that free time is essential for a happy life.
Yes, we need to make time for the things we love. I think even a small amount of free time every day can make a big difference in how we feel.
I agree. I always try to spend at least 30 minutes a day on my hobbies, even if I am busy. It helps me relax and recharge.
Small habits can lead to big changes. I try to read a little every day or practice guitar for 15 minutes. These small actions make my free time very meaningful.
David, what advice would you give to someone who wants to use their free time better?
I would say, first, plan your day. Know when you have free time and what you want to do. Second, try different activities. Do not be afraid to try new hobbies. And third, make time for yourself every day, even if it is a little bit.
That is good advice. I think many people forget to plan their free time and end up watching TV or scrolling on their phones. Planning can help you use your time in a more creative way.
Yes, a simple schedule can make a big difference. I also recommend that you reflect on what makes you happy. Choose hobbies that you really enjoy and that help you relax.
I will remember that. I always try to choose activities that make me feel good. Thank you for sharing your ideas, David. I learned a lot from our conversation.
You are welcome, Sarah. I enjoyed talking about free time and hobbies. It is nice to share our experiences and learn from each other.
I agree. I hope we can talk more about our hobbies in the future and maybe even try some new activities together.
Yes, that would be very fun. I look forward to our next conversation. Have a great day, Sarah.
Thank you, David. You too. Goodbye.
Thank you for listening to Practice English Conversations. Please tune in again tomorrow for more practice. If you like this conversation, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you next time. Keep practicing and stay happy.